thank you so much for joining us today. The very first year-end party for the combined OSM and Thome Company.
Thank you for being here. To our seafarers, thank you for your hard work, for your great performance on board. And to our dear families, thank you for your support to our seafarers.
Alam ko po kayo ay nag-effort upang makarating dito sa ating venue today. Pero higit sa lahat, ako ay taus-pusong nagpapasalamat dahil kayo ay nag-participate upang mas maging masaya at memorable itong event natin today.
Lumalaki na ang pamilya natin. Hindi lang ako ang lumalaki, yung pamilya natin. From 2,000 Filipino seafarers 10 years ago, alam niyo kung ilan na tayo ngayon? We're now 8,000 Filipino seafarers on board.
Especially sa ating mga seafarer. Palakpakan naman po yung mga seafarer natin na talaga namang sobra ang sipag para sa ikabubuti ng buhay ng kanilang mga pamilya, Jewel.
Good morning sa inyong lahat!
It's the happiest time of the year. We are once again gathered for the most awaited event of the Seafarers Family Club, the year-end party.
Malaki ang pagpapahalaga ng OSM sa pamilya ng ating mga marino. Dahil alam naming hindi madali maging pamilya ng marino. Kaya napakalaga para sa OSM Thome ang ma-involve ang family sa ating kumpanya.
I would like to greet everyone a Merry Christmas and a joyous celebration of this season.
This is the reason why we're exerting all efforts to involve the family, to create programs, to create initiatives for the family. Because we want our family to be healthy, happy, and wealthy. Yan po ang pangarap ko para sa pamilya ng ating mga marino.
So sana kayo ay nag-enjoy, and I hope that when you go home, you will be safe and you will bring along with you the joy and the happiness that you experience throughout the day. Isang magandang pagbati ulit sa inyong lahat ng maligayang Pasko at manigong bagong taon.
So again, my prayer is for a happy, healthy, and wealthy family of seafarers. Maligayang Pasko po sa inyong lahat. And God bless everyone. Enjoy the day.
Remember to bring along with you all the excitement and the joys, at sana madala ninyo ito sa inyong mga tahanan para pag sinelebrate ninyo ang inyong mga Pasko at bagong taon sa inyong mga tahanan ay patuloy na nag-aalab ang apoy sa bawat isa sa ating lahat.